Hey everyone, in this video we will be showing you how to play Roblox with two accounts at once on the same PC. So let's just get started with the video and start it up. Head over to a browser and open it up, and once you open it up you can go over to roblox.com and hit enter. And here, first of all, if you're not logged in, you can log in into your first account and start by joining up a game from the website itself. You can look out for different games available on your screen. You can just go over and do so. Now, in order to use the same, or let's say in order to use another account in the same PC, what you can do is you can use the Roblox app for the second account. So if you do not have this, if you do not want to use the browser, what you can do is you can use the application instead. You can go ahead and download this Roblox Player application and open it up. And once you open it up, if you are not logged in, you can log in into your second account through here. You can just go over and do so. You can open up your second account here. If not that, what you can do is you can instead use another browser. So if you are using Chrome in one of the account, Chrome for one of the account, you can start by using another browser. For example, Edge or Firefox or any other browser, and you can go to roblox.com there as well. So just go over and type in Roblox and hit enter and look out for Roblox and go to their official site, which is this one right here. And each browser will be keeping different separate sessions, so Roblox treat them as two different users. So you can log in using another account here instead. Look out for the login option and click on it. After you click on it, you can start by using another account's username, email, or password here. After that, their password, and click on login and then login. So enter up their username and email and their password. After that, click on login, and once you are logged in, you can access Roblox, and that's it. Now there you go. Now you can just go over and access two Roblox accounts at the same time, one in your browser, one in the app, or in two browsers available. And that is how you basically test, thread, and have fun with your friends using Roblox. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.